In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a template in Figma, perfect for beginners. For those of you who are just getting started, Figma is a powerful web-based collaborative interface design tool. So let's walk through how to find and use templates to enhance your projects. First, navigate to the Figma website. This is the central hub where all your design activities happen, so getting comfortable here is key to making the most out of Figma's powerful tools. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. This step is vital as you need to be logged in to access all the community features and files. If you don't have an account, you might need to sign up first. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts provided. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the home page. This is your personal workspace where you can access recent files, projects, and other resources. From here, locate the Explore Community button. It's usually nestled somewhere on the sidebar or the navigation menu. Clicking this will take you to the vibrant community space within Figma, where you can find a plethora of resources contributed by users worldwide. Once in the community section, you'll want to focus your search specifically on templates. To do this, type templates into the search bar. This will help you narrow down the content, filtering out anything unrelated. You'll likely find an array of options from website designs to app interfaces. The wide selection of templates available means there's something for every need, helping you jumpstart your design process without starting from scratch. Browse through the list of templates that appear. You'll want to look for one that matches your project needs or sparks creativity for your new project. Carefully selecting the right template can save you a significant amount of time and provide a solid foundation upon which to build your design. When you've found a template you like, click on it to open the details page. Here, you'll typically see a preview of the template, along with some information about who created it and any usage notes. From this page, you can also directly apply the template to your projects, allowing you to start customizing it right away. And that's it. By using templates in Figma, you'll not only save time, but also gain inspiration from other designers in the community. This method is particularly useful for beginners who may feel overwhelmed when starting new projects. Remember, the more you explore and experiment with these templates, the more proficient you'll become in using Figma. So, dive in and start creating.